Get her, little pussy. Get her, little pussy.
You.
Satan is the champion of the people, not monsters like you.
Swear to God you walked on the moon.
Because the sun is like a spotlight, and it moves around shining on one place at a time.
Get the fuck out.
Pancake Earth.
I want you to swear to God on the Bible that you walked on the moon.
That's what I said, fool!
You've got to be kidding. Beast Boy was right.
Beast Boy was right. Earth is actually flat. Yep.
So you teach your children about Santa Claus, the Easter Bunny, the Tooth Fairy, that they're on a bull floating through space is an accident, that they evolved from monkeys. You're the father of all lies.
We don't have time for a meeting of the Flat Earth Society.
Did you know the Earth is actually flat?
Earth is flat, you silly monkey.
Earth is flat, you silly monkey.